Yeah, it's a beautiful exhibition. A lot of customers they ask a lot of questions about our providing, our structures, as you can see. And the important thing is that we are here in the exhibition. We show our models, we explain our models. They need a lot of requirements for the sports centers in all the Western Europe or Eastern Europe, Northern Europe. A lot of countries, a lot of customers, they want to know how it works, this kind of structures. They need, the most of all, are worried about the insulation because most of them are in countries that is very cold or very heat. And it's important that we provide answers and solution for the needed. We do this kind of structure, as you can see. These are cheap structure compared with the facility or buildings, but they are very strong, they are very important, and we do solutions even with insulated panels, rigid, that is the needed of the moment for the customers. We have all internal production and internal designment. Hence, we are very strong with these procedures, and we can guarantee our solution to prices not so high because we have all internal designment. Hence, we have provided a stock and a store of steel.
So how long would it take if somebody would decide to buy the cover system from you from start to completion?
I think not more than for months.
You're one of the two manufacturers that produces aluminum-based paddle courts. How much of the material that you're using is recycled?
We use the 80% of the aluminium that we are using to produce that paddle court is recyclable. As you can see here, that aluminium comes from cars and different products, and the other box there is aluminium, defected aluminium on the process of getting that profiles. Again, after a process, we obtain that piece here, then this one, and with this one we get this matrix, I would say, that is this piece here. This is the matrix that we have, produced by Hydro, manufactured by Hydro, worldwide aluminium manufacturer. And the aluminium is, I would say, the future of the paddle courts because allows to install paddle courts in outside facilities near the seaside without any corrosion issue, avoiding all the corrosion and air salinity issues, and then also keeps or this kind of course can keep wind speeds till 232 kilometers per hour. So it's a very reliable and resistant court. We take a little bit more time than the steel court, but the thing is that we can load more courts in a container or in a truck than a steel cord. That allows to our distributors, our clients, to take benefit for the transportation, knowing that nowadays the transport is quite expensive, actually. And plus we are giving more years of warranty than a steel cord. Actually, with the aluminium cord, we can give for the structure 15 years of warranty versus the 10 years that we give for the steel.
So that would be 50% longer time span.
Yeah, correctly, indeed.
Which makes quite a lot of economic sense for an investor.
Well, at the end, the investors have to think in a long-term period, not just in a short term. So I think that for those investors that are interested in installing a paddle court in an outdoor facility near the seaside with wind issues, this is the perfect solution. And plus, we are improving a lot with the materials that we are using, but also with the small details. For example, the cords that we provide, the holes are already made, so that allows us, the installers, to not to drill the pillars. So it's more easy in terms of the installation, and yeah. At the end is the future of the paddle courts, and we are also doing just for the commitment of the sustainability. But I think that nowadays is something that everyone has to be aware, and of course that we want also to participate on this part for the sustainability of the world, of the earth.
What is the unique selling point of a wooden court?
Well, apart from that it looks really good in nature and the Swedish people love the nature, it's also a lot more quiet compared to the steel courses. You have both for the players on the court and outside, and it's very easy to build as well. All you need is a plain surface.
And the quietness comes from the wood absorbing vibration, or is any other magic in the wood?
Both the wood absorbing the sound, it's more solid, more stable, and also it's quite big compared to the steel constructions. Also, our glass is close connected to the wood, so there's no vibration.
And I guess with growing prices of steel, this would be more affordable and quicker to put together, right?
Yes, it would. I mean, at the moment the price would be roughly around the same, but exactly as you said with the steel prices, this is kind of like the new paddle court. A lot of interest in just the wood solution.
Ja, precis. Så det är luftkuddar. Det är 600 låda.